Hi kids, how are you? Today we learn about snake and how to draw the snake and about the snake. Okay, let's go to the video. Enjoy. If you are like this video, kindly subscribe me and like me and share this video. Thank you.
Snakes have long been both feared and revered by humans. With their sinuous bodies, flickering tongues, and often misunderstood behaviors, they have captured the imagination of cultures worldwide. But beyond the myths and misconceptions lies a remarkable group of animals perfectly adapted to their environments. Join us on a journey through the world of snakes as we explore their biology, behavior, and ecological significance. Did you know that there are over 3,000 species of snakes found on every continent except Antarctica? From the tiny thread snake measuring just a few inches to the majestic reticulated python stretching over 20 feet, snakes come in a stunning array of sizes, shapes, and colors. We'll take a closer look at some of the most remarkable species and their unique adaptations for survival. Beyond their role as predators, snakes play a crucial role in maintaining healthy ecosystems. As both predator and prey, they occupy a vital niche in food webs, helping to control populations of rodents and other small animals. Additionally, snakes serve as indicators of environmental health, with declines in snake populations often signaling broader ecological imbalances. We'll discuss the importance of conserving these remarkable animals and the threats they face in an increasingly human-dominated world. Throughout history, snakes have been the subject of countless myths and legends, often portraying them as symbols of evil or danger. But the reality is far more complex. We'll debunk some of the most common misconceptions about snakes, from their supposed aggression toward humans to the truth about venomous species. By understanding the truth about these fascinating creatures, we can learn to coexist with them more harmoniously. From their diverse forms to their essential role in ecosystems, snakes are truly remarkable animals worthy of our admiration and respect. By shedding light on their biology, behavior, and ecological significance, we hope to foster a greater appreciation for these elegant predators and inspire efforts to conserve them for future generations. Thank you for joining us on this journey through the captivating world of snakes. Stay tuned for more adventures in the natural world.